Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about a charting library for JavaScript, and I think it is one of the best charting library, and it's totally free. So its name is Apache Echarts, and it's I think totally free. It's open source. It's maintained by Apache. Let's see some examples here. Click on get started. Um, there are some docs. I will be directly going through the examples and then we can also go through the docs. So in this video, my target is to show you some couple of examples and show you different options. And I will show you how to actually implement it in React. So the Apache chart library is actually natively built for vanilla JavaScript, but it has some wrappers for React, so we can use it there. As you can see, these are multiple options. If you can see, these are bar chart options. We have these combo bar and line chart options, pie chart, and these are, believe me, these are really good charts. I have used this in my production level applications. I work in a business intelligence company, and all of these are very good components. As you can see, you can have geo maps, uh, all kind of different visualizations. So let's jump right into the video without spending much time here and there. So I have a basic React app up and running. So now let's add some libraries. First of all, you need to install. I will search for. I think it's Echart for React. If I'm not wrong, Echart for React. I think yes, this is. So you straight jump into the npm page. Sorry for my internet speed. You can copy it from here, but if you go through the doc, it says that npm echart as the peer dependency. So first you need to install the Apache echarts, and then you will install the React echart package. I have already installed it, so I will not go through the installation again. And then you copy it from here, paste it, and then you can install it. I have already installed these. So if you go through the e-chart for React documentation, uh, it says that you can import different chart options, and there are different components for the options. I will show you, and then you can register basically those components to the e-chart, and then you can get those options here. But as I have used this library for quite some time, and these options also work, but I will go through the native vanilla JavaScript options, and I will and its work. I will directly import it inside the React component. So let's copy this React component, paste it here. We can import it directly. Oh, this is the right one. Oh, we will use this one basically, not the core. We can also use that, but I have played around with this one. Let's copy here, and let's talk about these options. So one way is to import all these options and then register it, and this will get this dot get options. But I will show you another way. If you go into the Apache chart examples and see here the code, it has an option object, so we can directly import this option object inside the React wrapper. You just need we can do const options, and if you directly imported these options right here, we can remove this element for now, We will talk about this later. So let's see what we have here. We have nothing. Okay, don't worry. We will give it some styling. Actually, we need to install, apply some styling to it. We will call this chart. Basically, I had some styling, so I will just copy these. We will, not much fancy, but just to get things done. Paste it here. And as you see, I have just give some styling, background color, and width and height, and border radius and shadow, etc. So we have this chart. As you can see, there's nothing much we can do with it. It's just a chart, a basic chart. But if you go through the option, then I will teach you what actually happening. On the x-axis, we have a given type, and we have data, days of the week. And in the y-axis, it's a type value, and the series is basically the data that is actually for each x-axis value. So for Monday, it's 150, for Tuesday, it's 230, and based on the range of these values, it decide the y-axis values. But as you can see, we do not see the actual values here. So what we do need here, some more options, and we can go through the Apache chart examples or the documentations. I will just quickly go through the docs examples, and you will see a bit sophisticated example here. So if you can see, we can give a title here, we can give a tooltip which will trigger on x-axis, on the axis. If we hover on the axis base, it will trigger. It has also some legends, so for each legend we have specific data. So in this version we don't have a legend, we have just one data set. We can import multiple data set and give legend to each data set. So let's copy this example. Here copy option we don't have, I think, so let's copy it like this and paste it like this. So as you can see, we have this. So let me give some more width to it, maybe 800 pixel, and let's see what is. Okay, okay, maybe. uh so this is the chart, and as you can see, we see on hover the values of each point: email 132, union ads 182, etc, etc. So basically we can you can pretty much go through the examples and see the options here. If you want to go in details, you can chart configuration in all these handbook options, but I have seen the chart configuration a very good documentation for each specific feature. If you want to go through the legends and you want to specifically style those legends, then there are plenty options, and believe me, these are really good options, and you can customize your chart in any way and shape or form. They have a lot of customization here, so you can go through there. We can add a scroll to our legend. Let's say if we have multiples, lots of legends, then we can also add scroll to it, etc, etc. You can go through it. If you want detailed video of much complicated examples, let me know in the comment below. I will uh, I will put more detailed videos on each of these chart, more complicated options. But in this video, my target is to just get things up and running for you, and you can basically import the chart. Okay, once problem, if you can see, our we have very less padding here. Let's see if we can apply some CSS to this. We can be fixed by the CSS. And this problem occur in the React wrapper version of the Echart, and I believe in the um, vanilla JS version, I think these are pretty much good styling shape. Okay, so we can directly do it with padding. I will show you another way of doing it. If you sometimes these values are really large, even if you give padding, these will hide after some point, like the actual chart boundaries. So what you can do there is a grid option. Let's see if you can find it here in the docs. check. I think we can apply directly here. Oh, it has already have this grid. So it's already 3% inside the actual by grid it's mean the actual content of the chart as 3% from the left side, 3% from the right, and etc. So we can also adjust its value, I believe, in pixels maybe. Let's see. I forgot. Let's see. Here, 40 pixels. What to say on the left side? Oh, I think it worked. Give it 100 to check. As you can see, so you can adjust the placement of the chart inside the wrapper and from this grid. And there are a lot of other options we can do. And if we want it for the basic line and bar chart option, you just need to type it here bar, and you will see that one of our values has been changed to bar chart. If we want to change all of our series data into bar, we can do it like here, and voila, we have a bar chart. But as you can see, this bar chart is stacked on top of each other, which is not very good. So we will explore the bar chart option and see what is the actual solution for this. But you can change it like here. I think it's due to the stack option. Let me see in the docs example. Everything pretty much there are multiple options from these examples, and you can get things up and running from here. Let's choose some basic. Let's choose this. This has also a line chart option and bar chart option. So copy this here. Oops, where I'm going. Paste it here. Let's check. Okay, so these you can see we have for Wednesday we have different values, and as you can see what is different now here, we have a type bar, we don't have that stack option. I think that was causing the problem. And as you can see, you can also add tooltip options here, like whatever value on the tooltip we get from here for a specific type of data set, we can add a specific tooltip. This is good if you want to add a unit to a value. Let's say like if we hover on it, you see the evaporation unit is ml and the temperature is degrees Celsius. So you can do that, and you can see we have different options, like it's say switch to chart, switch to line chart, switch to bar chart. So there are multiple options here. By default you can view the data. That's very good. I checked that. I didn't check that myself also. I'm seeing it for the first time. It's have refresh option, it has save an image, and all these kind of option has a relative option object here. You will see this, that has the toolbox, that is the data view, magic type, restore, save image. You can also save as image. So I think you will have got a basic idea of the charts, and you can just go through docs, set an option here and import it here. Let me know in the comments below if you want to hear more from this, but I think I have covered the basics of you can use the e-charts, and there are all these different options. Let's see, like if you go to the tooltip, you can go to the different options, like what are the different trigger options, like here X is none, and you can try it here and experiment with it. It will show the example here, and let's see if we can scroll it down. I think we can have this editor option, and it will open this in a new page, and you can experiment with the different values. But that's pretty much it. I think you can go through the examples and find out yourself, explore it yourself, and you will find it a very good library. Um, let me know in the comment below if you like this video. Please hit the like button. this will probably my first video on YouTube, so hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I will be uploading videos regarding JavaScript and mostly with React. And I will try to cover all those problems which I have faced myself and I face myself daily during the work. And I will try to cover those things, those good JavaScript libraries, some problems which you can face. So I will try to solve those problems for you. Thank you very much. See you next time.